Can I become a product manager if I'm not one already? This is one of the common questions that I get from a lot of people on a regular basis. I get this question from the working professional, from the sales, marketing, QA, project management, business analyst, QA, support engineering, those who want to make us a transition into product management role. The good news is, yes, only if you can shift how you think, how you act, and how you position yourself for this product management role. So let me show you that how you can do this in this particular video. Before we will dive in, if you are serious about becoming a product manager and if you need a step-by-step personalized game plan for that, so in that case, book a one-on-one demo call by clicking the link below in the description, and in that particular call, my team will go through your background and then come up with the exact plan that how to land into this PM role. So the link is available in the description, you can check it from there. So the step one is figuring out or start with your transferable skills. So if you are thinking that if you are transitioning from another role, you are starting from zero, that's wrong. Because in your existing role, you are already doing a lot of things that a product manager does. So let's suppose if you are coming from a business analyst background, in that case, you know very well the requirement gathering, understanding your customer, you are good with that. If you are coming from the project management background, you already know how to deal with the timelines, the risk, the stakeholder management, you are already good with that. If you are coming from the sales or support background, you already have a good leverage of, you understand that what your customer exactly looking for or what your customer exactly need. If you are coming from software development background, you are already well versed with that, how the tech team works, how a tech product works. So this is something that will give you a leverage. So the only thing is that you need to figure out that what is something that you are good at in your existing job, or what are the skills that you are using in the existing job that can be transferred as a PM or that are overlapping with the PM role. Because in your existing role, you are doing a lot of things like analytical thinking, the decision making, the communication, the stakeholder management. You already have a lot of skills that overlaps with the PM role. Now the second thing is show your product thinking, not just tell it. So for that, I will recommend you that you need to have a strong product portfolio. That is something that is really, really important if you want to make a transition to this product management role. Because that is the biggest proof of your skill of that you know the product management skills. And this product portfolio should include some real product tear downs, real product case studies, some PRDs, some working prototypes, and the most importantly, it should have a real product, real working product that you can add into this, okay, and that will give you a lot of leverage over there. Now I'm sure a lot of you might be having this thing, okay, so to build this product I need to be techie or I need to hire a team. No, because we are living in a beautiful era of no-code tools out there, and you can use Lovable, Bolt or Replit or any other no-code tool out there, and you can build these web applications or mobile applications easily. Over my YouTube you can find a video where I had me and Palash, who's the product director at Dream11, we had built a product from scratch using the no-code tools without writing a single piece of code. So you can check that out, and you can find the link here as well. And this is what Surabhi did for one of my students. Because of this, she made a strong product portfolio, and because of this, from the risk analyst background, she easily made a transition into this product management role. Because she had a portfolio, because of that, she also got PM interview calls as well. You should remember that you don't need a permission from anyone to start thinking like a product manager. You can start getting your hands dirty, and that will give you a lot of thought process of a product manager. Third is fix your LinkedIn and your resume positioning. Most people on their LinkedIn, they mention that looking for PM opportunities. That's not a pure positioning. You should optimize your LinkedIn profile right from the cover image to till the end in such a way that it should scream out loud that yes, you are someone who knows about product management and you are ready for this product management role. And this is how one of my students, Ganesh, who was from the sales background, he repositioned himself on his LinkedIn, on his he improved his social media presence, and because of this, he easily made a successful transition into the product management role. So what you have to do, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. You need to build a strong network in your target companies, and you need to also put yourself as a subject matter expert in the product management field over your LinkedIn. You need to share content related to product management over your LinkedIn, because a lot of hiring managers are not just relying on your resume, they trust your LinkedIn more than your resume. So they, as soon as they go check your resume, they first visit to your LinkedIn profile and see that what your LinkedIn profile is speaking. And if it is not an optimized one, then there are very lower chances that you will get a call back from them. And the fourth thing is mindset shift is equal to identity shift. So stop waiting to get a product manager title. Rather, start working like that you are already a product manager. Start thinking like that you are already a product manager. So in that case, inside your whatever the role that you are working in, okay, you can ask better questions. You can try to get into that why you are doing this thing. Dig deep, because as a product manager, it's important that you should understand that should not be focused on how, you should be focused on why. That why you are doing something. You should start. You can lead cross-functional discussions with the other teams. You can volunteer yourself whenever there is a cross-functional collaboration is out there. Volunteer yourself over there, and always whatever the thing that you are doing, okay, always think of the outcomes, not of the outputs. That what will be the end outcome, whatever the thing that you, your team, your colleagues, whatever the thing that you will be doing. Ask your manager, okay man, we are working on this thing, or we are thinking of doing this. What will be the outcome, end outcome of this, not the output. And this simple shift took Ankush, one of my students, from a zero to a product manager in just 45 days. He's changed his mindset, and because of that, he started nailing the PM interviews like crazy. So yes, you can become a product manager even without a product manager background, but yes, only if you stop consuming and start building something. And if you want to know about this full 7-step system that I teach to my mentees, so in that case, I will recommend you to watch this video. The link you will find below in the description and also over here. And over there, I have created like a 7-step system to get into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way. And if you want to stop guessing, start taking the action, and want a personalized game plan, so in that case, I will recommend you to book a one-on-one demo call with us, with my team, where we will lay out based on your background, because everyone is coming from a different background. Everyone is having a different challenge. Everyone is having a different trajectory. So no one is same. So that's why we will create a personalized plan for you, that how you can make a successful transition into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way, right from your background, whatever you are coming from. So let's make this transition real for you. Thank you.